Here is another TradingView strategy using 3 free indicators, and it's really profitable, and I haven't seen anybody else use this as of now. I'll just show you what it does. So this is the hourly chart of Nifty 50 index. I'll also show you the BTC USDT chart in a while. So we get a buy signal over here, and look when we get the next sell signal. From here up to here, this is a huge up move. I'll also show you what happens when we get a sell signal. We got a sell signal right here, and this is the downside. We got a buy signal right here, but it didn't work very well. We'll fix this in a while. We got a sell signal right here, and this is the downside. We got a buy signal here. This is the upside right after that. We have been in a sell mode from here. It moved down, then up, and then further down up to this level. Now, how to trade using this strategy, how to set the stop loss, and how to set the target levels. Let's take a look at that. So we have a buy signal right here. Okay, I'll just zoom in. Here, this is the buy signal. The closest support is this. It's denoted by this blue line right here. So we'll use this as a stop loss, and we'll go long. The stop loss is right here, and the risk reward ratio is 1.5. Target attained right here. Now what you can do is you can keep the stop loss here, sell partial amount here, like book partial profit over here, and then hold it on for the next level, which would be, let's say, a risk reward ratio 2, which is also attained. Now let's take a look at the sell signal. Okay, we got a sell signal right here. This is the sell signal over here, this level over here. Our stop loss is this red line. Now if we keep the profit margin, if we keep the risk reward ratio only to you will get it. The best part of this indicator is that it gives you huge moves. So once you book partial profit over here, you can keep increasing your target levels to how much ever you want. For this sell signal, the risk reward ratio reached up to 11.2, which is insane. Actually, it did go down further. Let's just take a look. It went down to about risk reward ratio of 18.8. Again, that's insane stuff. Now let's take a look at this place over here. We'll open a long position right here. Our stop loss is over here. If you go for risk reward ratio of 1.5, you would get it anyway, but again, I would suggest booking partial profit and then going for a risk reward ratio of at least 2, and that is also attained. Now let's take a look at this sell signal right here. Okay, so we'll open a short position over here. This is our sell signal right here. Stop loss is right here, and let's see what is the risk reward ratio for this one. Okay, 1.5. We got 1.5 right here. Let's go for risk reward ratio of 2. Okay, that was also attained over here. So this is the sell signal. Again, you can track for this buy signal, same thing. The stop loss is here, go for 1.5 and then for 2 risk reward ratio. Over here we have a sell signal, this one. Again, you sell here, this is a stop loss. Go for 1.5 and risk reward ratio of 2 twice, partially 1.5 for the first target and 2 for the second target. Now I'll show you how this works in real time. Okay, we'll just replay this so you'd know that these buy and sell signals don't repaint. They are where they are. The only thing is that these levels, the stop loss levels, these lines, horizontal lines, they are painted, but they are not repainted. So as the chart progresses, it finds the support and resistance levels and paints these levels. Once they are made, they are not repainted. I'll show you how to use this. Let's go to replay. We'll start just from here. Okay, playing it. Keep an eye over here, okay? When there is a crossover, you'll get a signal and see what happens next. Okay, we have a buy signal right here, okay? This line has been painted already. So this is our stop loss level. I'll play it. Actually, I'll just open a long position for once just to show you how to use this. So we got a buy signal right here. Our stop loss is over here. Okay, and we need a risk reward ratio of 1.5. Let's see. Okay, I'll just pause it and then move this further up. Okay, target has been attained. We got a risk reward ratio of 1.5 here. Let's see if we got target 2 also over here of risk reward ratio 2. Yeah, we got that here. Okay, now please note that we also have resistance levels over here, so they will help you further in your trade. And this blue and the purple line, at times they act as support. Okay, I'll forward it further. Okay, now we'll just jump the trade because it's taking too long. Or actually, I'll just stop this here. Then we'll start it all over again. Now we'll take a look at this sell signal. We'll replay from just before the sell signal. Okay, we have a sell signal right here. Okay, this is the stop loss line. Now let's see what happens. Short position was initiated right here. This is our stop loss, and for a risk reward ratio of 1.5 here. So the target was anyway attained. This is where we sold it. This is the target. Now let's see what happens further. Okay, here after attaining the target, it hit the stop loss. So you still are profitable. Okay, here once again it moved further down. So till such time the blue line is below the pink line or the purple line, whatever you want to call it, the trend is downward only. Okay, so this is how the strategy works. Now I'll show you the same thing on BTC USDT. We got a sell signal right here. This is our stop loss, and if we go for a risk reward ratio of 1.5, our target was attained over here. Now we have a buy signal right here. Okay, if you bought it here, the stop loss was hit right away, and this was a very minor loss. Again, we have a sell signal right here. Let's see what happened. I'll open a short trade over here. This is the stop loss, and if we go for a risk reward ratio of 1.5, our target is attained over here. If we go for a risk reward ratio of 2, then also our target is attained right here. So this is how it works on BTC USDT as well. It's an amazing strategy. It gives huge profits compared to the minor losses. Now I know I'm going to get flooded with messages asking me if this strategy works on shorter time frames. Yes, it does, but the profitability reduces a bit. I'll just show you how. This is a 5-minute chart of Nifty 50 index. We got a sell signal right here, but immediately the sell signal was converted into a buy signal over here. This is our stop loss. The instrument came very close to the stop loss and then bounced back right up. I'll just show you the previous signal. This is the buy signal over here. This is the stop loss. Again, it moved down to the stop loss level and then bounced right back up. This is a sell signal over here. We got the sell signal right here. This is the stop loss, and the downside has been huge. So this is how the strategy works. The trend that you catch from this strategy are just amazing. They are mind-blowing. And if you have been following my videos, you would know that I'm a very big fan of trend following. Okay, now let's take a look at the free indicators for this strategy. First, you look for the profit maximizer P max, this one right here. You have to change the settings. In the settings, change the source to HL2, ATR length to 10, ATR multiplier to 3, moving average type is WWMA, and the moving average length is 50. Uncheck this option. Now you have to hide this. Next, you look for the optimized trend tracker, this one right here. Now this is a tricky part. In the source settings, you have to change the input value to Pmax: Pmax. If you don't do this, the whole strategy will be completely different, not according to what I've shown you just now. OTT period is 5, OTT percent is 1.4, show support line is checked, show support line crossing signal is also checked. Style, you can do whatever you want. These colors work for me. Next, you type swing over here and go for this one, swing, high, low, support and resistance. In this, change the settings to 15 and 15. Style, you can have whatever you want. This style works for me. So this is the strategy that we just discussed. Profit is really huge, but do not work without maintaining a stop loss. Whatever works for you, whatever risk reward ratio works for you, go ahead with that. Keep a stop loss for sure. Since I haven't seen this strategy anywhere as of now, I'd love to call it my strategy, Bharat Mudgal's trading strategy, or Bharat Mudgal's OTT trading strategy. If you do like this strategy, let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, then you can ask them in the comment section. I'll try my best to reply. If you do like my videos, please subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in the next video. This is Bharat Mudgal signing off.